Okay, who's absent today? Number 9. Why is absent? Which of my?
Check, check. Okay. Okay, good morning, everyone. Okay, before we start, please give me one clap, two claps, three claps. Okay, let's review first what we learned last week since other schools are already here, okay? Okay. Again, the first word last week we have your heat. Now, how do you say heat in Thai? Okay. Heat is a form of energy, yes or no? Form of energy, yes or no? Is it a yes or no? Yes. Result in temperature difference, yes or no? Yes. It's from cold to hot, yes or no? It's from cold to hot, yes or no? No. What's the correct answer? It's from hot to cold. Very good. Okay. Last week also we talked about the sources of heat. We have established 4 sources of heat. The first one we have your sun. Second one we have your burning. What's the third one? Can you still remember? Third one is rubbing or friction. And the fourth one we have electricity. Now, last week also we discussed about temperature. When I say temperature, how do you say in Thai? Okay, when you say temperature, it's the level of heat. When the heat is too high, what happened to temperature? When the heat is too high, what happened to temperature? Low or high temperature? One or two? Okay, the answer is high temperature. Now, when the heat is too Now, how about this one? When the heat is too low, what happened to temperature? Low temperature or high temperature? Okay, the answer is low temperature. Now, last week also we discussed about the measurement used to measure temperature, and that is called as your thermometer. Now, how do you spell your thermometer again? We have first letter is T, next H, next E, next R, next M, O, M. Next letter we have I. Okay, we have letter E next, T next, E and R. Now, under thermometer, we have 2 major classification. Remember? The first one, what is the first one? Can you still remember from last week? What is the first? The first classification of thermometer we have, the first one we have glass thermometer. What's the second? Electronic. What else? Yes. What's the second one? Yes.
Digital thermometer.
Okay, very good. We have your digital thermometer. Now, under glass thermometer, this one is a glass thermometer, and this one is a digital thermometer. Again, glass and digital thermometer. Now, under glass thermometer, we have two types again. The first type, we have mercury. Second type, we have, okay, we have your alcohol thermometer. Again, these are under glass thermometer. Now, the next one, we have your digital thermometer. We have three basic parts. The first part we have here is, what is this? Okay, very good. Second one we have, okay, display window. Third one we have, okay, we have your on and off button. Now, remember last week we have three common measuring units, correct? Now, the first one we have your Celsius. Very good. Second, third, Fahrenheit. Okay, remember also in the three measuring units, we have two common words. The first word we have, okay, freezing point. Second word we have, boiling point. When I say freezing point, how do you say in Thai? And how about a boiling point? How do you say in Thai? Okay, very good. Now, what's the freezing point of Celsius? Zero what? 0 degrees Celsius. Now, what's the freezing point of Fahrenheit? Okay, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, what's the freezing point of Kelvin? Okay, 273 Kelvin. Now, what's the boiling point of Celsius? Okay, 100 degrees Celsius. Now, what's the boiling point of Fahrenheit? Okay, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And what is the boiling point of Kelvin? We have, okay, 373 Kelvin. Okay. So we finished this one last week, right? Nisela Shamay? Okay. Now let's recap again the units. Again, remember there are three common units we have. We have Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Now the symbols are degree C, degree F, and your K, KFC. Now again, what's the freezing point of Celsius? We have 0. Very good. Boiling point we have 100. Now Fahrenheit we have 32. Very good. Boiling point we have, okay, we have 212. And Kelvin we have, okay, 273. And boiling point we have, okay, we have 373. Okay. Last semester we discussed about the states of matter, correct? This one. So matter can be in different forms, and these are called as your states. We studied this one last semester, correct? Yes. The first one, remember, we have your solid. Second one, we have your liquid. Third one, we have your gas. Okay, you know the difference between solid, liquid, and gas already. Now, in states of matter, there are also the changes of state. Like, For example, the first one we have melting. Second one we have freezing. What's the third one? Can you still remember? Third one we have melting, we have freezing. What else? Evaporation. Very good. What else? Condensation. What else? Sublimation. What else? Very good. We have your deposition. Now, when you say melting, from what state? Solid to liquid. Very good. When you say freezing, from what state? Okay, liquid to solid. When you say evaporation, from what state? Liquid to gas. When you say condensation, from what state? Okay, very good. Gas to liquid. When you say sublimation, from what state? And when you say deposition, from what state? Okay, again, these are called changes of state from one state to another. Again, these are the example. We have 6. What's the first one again? Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Again, when you say freezing, from what state? From liquid to solid. When you say melting, from? When you say evaporation, from? When you say condensation, from? When you say sublimation, we have? When you say deposition, we have? Okay, now let's try this one. Okay. Now, again, the first picture we have here is from solid to liquid. Again, remember, solid to liquid is melting. The second picture we have here is liquid to solid, which is freezing. Next, we have ha 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 ha, liquid to gas. What's the answer? Evaporation. Very good. The next one we have gas to liquid. What's the answer? Very good. Next one we have, what's the answer? Sublimation. And the last one we have, what's the answer? Okay. Now, in terms of particles, let's have here. Now, the first one, again, this picture is this one. The first one, we have your solid, correct? Yes or no? Yes. Solid to liquid. This one is in terms of particles. Now, what's the answer? Melting. Now, the second picture, we have liquid to, wait. Okay. Liquid to solid. What's the answer? Okay, we have your freezing. The next one, we have liquid to gas. And what's the answer? Evaporation. Now, the next one, we have gas to liquid. What's the answer? Okay, very good. Next one, we have, okay, solid to gas. What's the answer? Sublimation. And then the last one, we have gas to solid. What's the answer we have? Okay, we have your deposition. Now, please get your phone and open your line group. Aideen? Okay, please get your phone. One slash. Hmm? Okay, you see the files? Hinmai? Okay. Okay. I'll give you 3 minutes to just like review the material, okay? Then after that one, we're going to like practice we're going to have a test next week. No, after the sports day. Okay, we're going to practice after. Yes.มี sound ไหมครับ sound ใช่ได้ใช่ไหมไม่ได้ไม่ได้ใช่ไหมมีประมาณคุณไม่ได้อันนี้เป็น sound ได้นี่ไม่ได้โอเคจะใช้ไมค์ผมไม่ได้อยู่ นี่เป็น YouTube ได้ไหม
แชร์ที่พีซีนะโอเพน
อ่า
ยูทูบที่พีซีแล้วก็แชร์ที่พีซีนี้
but open YouTube เป็นไม่ใช่ share เป็น sound ได้ใช่ไหม
ได้
เป็น
ยูทูบ
ใช่
เว้นเชื่อ
Mingo อืมนี่มี sound ไหม มี sound อ๋อโอเคโอเคโอเคโอเคหืม
ไม่ได้สนุก
and it's slow. Okay, ready? Okay, I want you to please stand up. Stand up. And then okay, you listen first. Now this one, these chairs, please move. Okay. Then okay, next. Do not move this one. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay. Now, next, please form one big circle. Again, one big circle. Okay, wala. Okay. From this one to this. Okay. One big circle. Okay, this one, you can use this one here. Okay, one big circle. Here, here. Here, this one as well. Hi, hi, hi. Please move. Yeah. Can you move the chair at the table? Okay. Okay, let's try first if you can walk properly. Okay, please walk around the circle. Okay, again, please. Please walk around the circle. Okay, walk first. Okay, walk now. Again, please walk around the circle. Okay, I want you to please walk. Turn a circle. Okay, go. Again. Ah, you're not listening. Please walk around the circle. At the count of 3, 2. Again, walk around the circle. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Please walk now. Walk, walk, walk. Hi. Walk. Just walk. Okay, walk. Okay, walk. Okay, just walk. Okay, stop. Okay, walk again. Walk. Just check for the space. If the space is okay. If there's no problem, then we can start. Okay, you can walk freely, right? You can walk, okay? Okay, stop. Okay, now, please space. Okay, we have different cards here. Okay, so you're going to answer freezing, melting, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, and deposition. All of the 6 words. Now you only need 5 cards to sit down. Once you get 5, you sit down. Once you're not yet done, you still walk around the circle. Okay, follow yes or no. Each cards, I'll give you 5 seconds. Once you get an answer within 5 seconds next. If you answer correctly the card, I'll give you the card. Then you start walking again. I'll get you know. Yes. Okay, ready?
เดินด้วยข้างหน้าเดินด้วยเดี๋ยวแยกแยกแยกแยกแยกแยก Next, 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 next. แล้วความรู้ในว่าเลย Next, 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 next.
Okay, that's you listen. That's how you play the game. Okay, now we will play the game for only one period, only one class. Now, after the period, your score will be based to how many flashcards do you have. Again, you just need 5. After the period, if you get 1, then your score is only 1. Okay? If after the period you get 5, your score is 5. If you don't answer and after the period you get nothing, it means your score is 0. Okay, follow yes or no. Again, your score depends on how many cards you get after the period. Kajamai? Okay, follow yes or no. Okay. Now please give it the cards back to me. Okay. Now next week we don't have class. Correct? Yes or no? Sabdana, Mili and May me. Sports day. So you have how many weeks? 2 weeks to study, correct? Okay, you have 2 weeks to review 6 words. Again, what are the 6 words we have? First is melting. Second, third, evaporation. Fourth, condensation. Fifth, sublimation. And number 6, okay, just study the pictures or the materials I gave in your line group. Okay, follow yes or no? Okay, I want you to go back to your chairs. Okay, please go back to your chairs. Okay, now this time I want you to study with your friend. Or if you want to study alone, you can. Okay, I will give you 6 minutes to study. Then after that one, you can eat your lunch. After this class, you eat your lunch, right? After this class, what's next? Okay. So I'll give you 6 minutes. Then after 6 minutes, you're going to eat your lunch, okay? So it's already 10:49. Okay, 10:49, 6 minutes. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, you can study or review with your friend. You can ask questions together. Who's ไม่ต้องไป
มาลังอีกนิดนึงไม่ใช่เลยไม่ได้แล้ว
ไม่ใช่
Okay. You want to eat your lunch now? Yes or no? Okay. So I will see you again after 2 weeks. Okay. Goodbye and thank you, everyone. See you again. Bye bye.